Grilled corn is a beloved street food all over Mexico and the Caribbean, and it's fantastic. You take corn, you grill it until it's charred and caramelized and really sweet, and then you season it with mayonnaise or lime juice or chili or cheese or all of the above. Some people love to steam their corn in the husk, and that's a great way to cook it. It won't get a char on the corn, but it'll keep it nice and sweet. And you take the husk and you just bring it back about this much. Then you just take the silk off. Silk is the stuff that gets stuck in your teeth, so olive corn gets stuck in your teeth. There's just no way around it. And then now just wrap it right back up and let it soak for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, so that's steamed corn. In this recipe, we're going for a charred flavor on the corn. So I'm taking it out of the husk entirely and then just putting it directly on the grill to give it a chance to really get brown and crunchy on the outside. Or, you know, the safe way. Move over there, corn. Make room for your relatives. You can put as much of a char in your corn as you like. If you want it to be just charred in spots, you want to move it around as you cook it. If you want it to get really dark brown and crunchy all over, just let it sit and then just move it a couple of times. One of the great things about this recipe is that it gives you plenty of time to go and, you know, make a margarita. Grilled corn is the kind of thing that you can dress up any way you like. You can do the traditional Mexican way to do it, cotija cheese. Here I've actually mixed together the mayonnaise and the chili. I also like it with some cilantro. Not traditional, but delicious. Ah, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Once your corn looks like this, it's nice and caramelized, take it off the grill and call in your troops. Troops, small children. Corn, corn, corn. Go for corn. What are you gonna do with it? Butter. You want the lime on it? You want lime too, Rafa? Here. What do you think, you guys?
Yummy.